How to keep Google search bar on mobile screen. So if you want to keep your Google search bar on your mobile phone's screen just like this, right, it's very simple to do so. You just have to make sure you have the Google app installed as well as also the Chrome app installed on your Android phone or whichever phone you're using. And once you've done that, basically you simply want to long press on an empty space on your home screen, and then you want to go to this option that says widgets. Once you come to widgets, over here you'll find many options right there, but in this case I'll simply select the option called Google. Once I select Google right here, I can simply add the Google search widget you can find there. I can drag it on my home screen, and just like that I'll be able to add the widget if I want to. So this is a simple way on how you can add Google shortcut on your mobile screen. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.